and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add graphic tools for DirectX or Visual Studio in Windows. So for that, click on Start and go to Settings. Here go to Apps. Below Apps and Features, click this option, Optional Features. Here click on Add a Feature. Now type graphic, click on this box and then click Install. Now give it a minute. So here we go, it's installed. So that's all. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.